When I grow up, I can be whatever I want to. My mom said that I can choose to be a doctor because it gives me more money, but I don't really care about money. I care about helping people. I chose coding because I can help people. Let's say I lost my arm, then I can print out a robotic arm with this 3D printer. Like I can get screws, attach them on, so I can have like a robotic arm.